Hey guys, it's Diego here, bringing you a Mega Salamanca EX Premium Collection box. I had this for over a month, but I haven't gotten around to opening it. So I'm pretty excited because Salamanca is actually one of my favorite Dragon-type Pokemons, which is why I picked this over the Garchomp one. Let's see. I'm very excited for the Mega EX. Alright. Well, let's start out with bringing out the mat here. So a better look at this. For all you who want to buy this. It's a lot bigger than I expected. It's not as good for the camera. Something nice for the setup, I guess. Alright. Let's get these promos out. Oh, my heart's a little broken with how they're pushed together. Let's see if I can get this coin out. Okay. That's the coin. Here's the Salamanca EX. Very nice. Go ahead and sleeve it before it gets even more damaged. And the Mega EX. And we got a variety of packs. Okay. And the big card. Go ahead and put that in the back. Alright. I think we're gonna start off, try to get them in order if I can remember which came out when. Okay, I think that's right. Okay, so let's get started here. I'm not familiar with any of these sets, so I'm not sure what's good to get out of them, but I'll take anything I can get. Dodrio, Fennekin, Vortor, Chespin, Taylor, Fritzy, Wigglypuff, and a Cloyster. On to Primal Class. Start with a Masquerain, Escape Rope, Celio, Lotad, Bunnelby, Slugma, Feebas, Mudkip, a Reverse Ninetale, and a Hollow Excadrill. So pretty good. Okay. On to Breakthrough. Mawile, Special Energy, Pokemon Catcher, Shelter, Blitzel, Ferrozeed, Electabuzz, Numel, a Reverse Misty Determination, and a Ferrothorn. Non-hollow rare. Okay, another Breakthrough. We're going to start with a Swoobat, Heavy Ball, Special Energy, Froakie, Axew, Elgyem, Ghastly, Meowth, Reverse Axew, and a Braviary. Next up, a Steam Siege. I really like the full art Volcanion on this. Let's see if maybe I'll get one. Clang, Ninja Boy, Monferno, Nidoran, Foon, Mankey, Clink, Manatine, Nuzleaf. Ooh, a full art Pokemon Ranger. Was not expecting that. Nice. Let's leave this. Leave that there. So put these there too. On to my second Steven Siege. Okay. Gonna start with a Ninja Boy, Drifloon, Captivating Pokepuff, Shellos, Meryl, Drifloon, Seedot, Fletchling, Reverse Infernape, and a rare Samurott. Okay. On to evolutions. Let's see if we can get a full art Dragonite, but I think that's pushing my luck a little bit, but let's see what we can get here. Machoke, Switch, Blastoise Spirit Link, Staryu, Dudo, Ponyta, Tangela, Weedle, Reverse Super Potion, and ooh, Mega Charizard EX. Nice. Let's leave that. Alright. So this turned out to be a pretty good box. Hopefully we can end it with a bang. Imikuni's Duo, Secret Rare, Metapod, Pidgeot Spirit Link, Drowsy, Electabuzz, Weedle, Magikarp, Energy, Mewtwo. I see something shiny. A Mega Pidgeot EX. Nice. Wow, I pulled some pretty good pulls out of this box. Let's review real quick. Okay, we're going to start out with the promos. The Mega Salamanca EX and the Salamanca EX. Then we got a full art Pokemon Ranger. And from Evolutions, we got a Mega Charizard EX and a Mega Pidgeot EX. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Please make sure to subscribe, leave a like, and I'll see you guys next time.